Hello everyone and welcome to the Fusing Shop. In this video, I first like to give a shout out to Mike McCown, who sent me these awesome pictures of this glass work he's been working on. Look at these amazing octopuses, or octopi, whatever they're called, and these eye pendants came out super awesome. Thanks so much, Mike, for sending in your artwork, and I look forward to seeing more pieces. So in today's video, we are going to be making a glass wand lighter, or a heat stick, or I think I've also seen these things called Grevo sticks. So this is pretty much so you can light your plant material without using any kind of chemical lighters like the butane or the little Bic lighters or anything like that. So I'll show you how to make this. It's really easy to make, and I'll show you how to use it at the end of this video. So right now I'm cutting some 5mm rod, and I'm attempting to show you the score mark that I made in the glass. I tried to get in the circle the best I could. There we go. Now you can see it in that red circle very clearly. So you just make a little score on the glass, and don't forget to like this video while we're at it. And you wet that score mark and you snap the glass away from you just like I did. And now I'm going to light the torch. I'm using a striker for today's video, which is easy to do. Just start striking it and gently turn on that propane and you'll be able to light the torch. I apologize for the not so good camera angle, the less than optimal camera angle here. I thought I had it in frame, but I didn't, so my apologies, good people. You guys deserve better than that. The GoPro is good. What I'm doing right now is I'm just going to flame cut the crud off that on the end of that rod. Keep those tweezers close to the flame. Remember, metal does not go in the flame. Pull out a thin piece and flame cut that. Make sure you cut in the flame, because glass will not cut out of the flame. And what I'm doing now is I'm making a gather. Tiny little gather. This does not have to be huge. Maybe about double what the rod is now. And just rotate that. I'm just rotating in between my thumb and index finger right now. I'm not doing like full rotations. I'm just rotating at like 180 back and forth, which will get the job done in this case. And I'm using a relatively short piece of glass. It's only about 5 inches or so, but it's still not too short, and you can hold it with your hands without any problems. Get that on center. This is good when you're practicing making gathers and to center them up. This is a great exercise. And you can see that little ball that we have gathered on the end. Boom, looking good. And now the only other step is to flame polish the other side. And while I'm doing that, the dad joke for today's video is, I used to hate facial hair, but then it started growing on me. It's very true in my case. As you can see by how much facial hair that I am rocking right now. Rocking that nice full beard. And fire polishing at the same time. So doing two things at once. Again, I'm flame cutting off the bubbles that were on the end. Just throw that in your bucket. And just give a quick fire polish and round that off so it looks nice and professional. You can do these in different colors. You can add designs. It's, really your preference on how far you want to take it. I'm just showing it on clear here for the demo. Almost done. Just make sure it's nice and smooth and rounded out. Give it a couple seconds to cool off. And we are done with this piece. You could shape that back end however you'd like. Make sure you just have this round ball in the front, and right now I'll show you how to use it. So you pack whatever material you're using in your bowl. You do need a butane lighter to do this. So pretend I didn't have a butane lighter on hand, so pretend this lighter is butane lighter. You light it. You heat up the end of the glass wand and get it nice and hot. It does not need to be red hot. Do not make it red hot, people. Hold it on there for like 20 seconds and it'll, pick up the heat. And careful, because it's, will burn you if it touches you. But just gently touch it like right above the plant matter and it'll get everything going for you. Makes it chemical free and a nice, smooth, tasty hit for you. So give this a shot, guys. Let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.